Welcome to EDU World Space.
To calculate the surface area is to calculate all the sides, areas, and add them together. So let's start with the triangle. If we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base height, then we got 1/2 a base of 20 and a height of 12. That would be half of 20 is 10 times 12 is 120 square centimeters. And we're going to have to double that, okay, because we've got the back as well. Now that we've done the triangle, we can do the roof rectangle if we know this length here. This would be 10. This would be 12 as given. And then we can use the Pythagorean theorem. 12 squared plus 10 squared equals c squared, where we've got 144 plus 100 equals c squared, which would be 144 plus 100 is 244. So it's the square root of 244, which is about 15 point. Let's go to the nearest tenth, about 15.6. Okay. So that's a rectangle of 15.6 by 18. And you're going to have this times 2 with the other side of the roof. So we've taken care of all the top. We've got the front and back triangles. We've got the top, both sides of the roof. Now the bottom piece, we've got the left side, which would be a 16 by 18 rectangle. Same as the right. We've got, so I'm multiplying that by 2. We've got the front, which is a 20 by 16 rectangle. That's the front and the back, so times 2. Now the only thing we haven't done is the bottom, and that's a 20 by 18 rectangle, but we're not going to multiply that by 2 because the top is actually the part of the roof, so we don't want the rectangular part. That would be like the ceiling in the room, but that's not the surface area of the whole solid. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things to multiply together or add together here, which we've got all accounted for. So we've got two 120 square centimeter pieces. 15.6 times 18 is about 281.2, and that would be each. Well, 15, I'll keep this as the square root of 244. So if we take the square root of 244, that's like 15.62, and it's a long decimal. But if we then multiply that by 18 as a whole and then double it, we're looking at 562.33. Then we've got 16 by 18, 2 times over, that's 576. 20 by 16, that's 320. 2 times over is 640. And 20 times 18 is 360. Add up all of this together. And here we go, 2 times 120, or the 240, plus 562.33, plus 576, plus 640, plus 360. Should be around 2 2,378.33 square centimeters. Rounding could be a little bit different depending on how you rounded this square root.